a dangerous accident outside. So, I'm in the pool. It was a accident. Well, we just it was a bad accident. Oh, right. Okay, guys, we're driving. It was. Guys, do you see it? Let me know. Guys, I'm here in the police station. Please. I'm here in the store and I found this cute little arowana and this cute. Wow. And here is the betas. Gold. Leopard. Daddy, oh. Ang cute, oh. Ang cute, picturein mo ako. Ang laki. Wow, baby. I wanna. And a little girl. Look, it's so giant. A little girl. Oh, snail. Daddy, oh. Snail. Snail. Ay, yan ah. Another one. Okay, bye guys. Guys, I buy this cool betta fish. And I gonna put it in my tank. Okay, Sandra po ihi. I got this little lizard there. Here it is. I got, there's so many here. I saw it. There, one there. And right there at the top. And I just saw that thing moving. That is a snake. Okay guys, see you. Okay, bye. Okay, bye guys.